Let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen a digital jackpot machine? Have you seen it? You see this shit right behind me? Let me show you. Guys, I got one, not two, but three. That's right, 3 digital LED billboards. That's guys, this is the jackpot. We just hit the jackpot. That's right, guys. You hit the jackpot because this is branding at its finest. And what a better time of the year to promote your business during the summer, baby, when everybody's out, everybody's watching, sexy people, beautiful women, kids are playing, and they're watching, guys. So you want to get attention because that's the biggest asset right now in this economy. You want the eyeballs, you want to make money, you want to hit that jackpot, baby. That's great. So invest in you, invest in your brand, invest in your business. So guys, invest in this beautiful truck because I'm looking for sponsors. Let's make money together this summer because it works, guys. So let me show you. Let me take the opportunity to show you and invest. Let's make this money together. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. So call Louis the Woman where? 917-468-2325. Hvac.